Feature flags are a software development tool that allow you to roll out a new feature gradually to only a subset of your users. It's used to reduce risk of deploying new code and ensuring stability before it's released to your entire user base. Feature flags give you the power to revert back to the original code if there are any bugs in the new code. Let's say you own a bakery and you want to start using a new recipe for your donuts. Rather than suddenly changing all the donuts you sell to the new recipe, you're going to have your employees taste it first. Having your employees taste it first allows you to get feedback from them on anything they'd change or if they think it tastes good. Once your employees have given it the thumbs up, you'll then sell the new donuts made to your loyal customers while selling the original donuts to everyone else. If your loyal customers say they don't like the new donuts, then you can go back to serving your original donuts and get back to the drawing board on the new recipe that you created. But if your loyal customers like it, then you can roll out this new recipe to all your customers and stop using the old one. By having your employees taste your new donuts first, followed by your loyal customers, it minimizes your risk. It's better that an employee catch anything they would want to change or give you feedback rather than having a customer try a bad donut. Having loyal customers try it first also minimizes risk, since loyal customers are more forgiving, could give you valuable feedback, and they're a smaller subsection of your customer base. The benefit of using feature flags for a business is that you can minimize risk and catch any errors or things you may want to change to your product before releasing it to everyone. Learn more about feature flags at taplytics.com.